Hey, so how to import data from Walmart to Xero. In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app that helps you do just that. It's called Link My Books, and I'm going to share also a free trial of Link My Books with you down in the description of the video. This link also grants you free onboarding, so you understand how to use the tool, and also you're going to find a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months with Link My Books. So you can integrate your Walmart with Xero, basically, or QuickBooks. So sync Walmart payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks with precise tracking of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So Link My Books basically is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for. Automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Again, free trial in the description, also free onboarding, and a special coupon code 50% off for 3 whole months. Also, Link My Books works with other platforms. So if you need Amazon to Xero or QuickBooks integration, or Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, as mentioned previously, TikTok Shop, Square, or WooCommerce, then check out Link My Books. Link is in the description. Another cool thing is that Link My Books can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers that manage e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, then we have prepared a really cool video for you. Down in the description is the link. The video is with Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, and myself, Bob Evan. Great to meet you, Amazon seller. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. So it's a 30-minute tutorial that shows you the step-by-step process of using this tool and getting the most out of it. Of course, I also recommend you using the free onboarding link in the description in order for you to get extra help from people from Link My Books. But this video also is going to be useful for you to understand how the tool works. Also, it works for accountants and bookkeepers with e-commerce clients. So if you're such a person, then in the description, we have prepared another video for you, which is a 41-minute tutorial with Daniel Little and myself, Evan, where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. 41-minute tutorial from A to Z, and hopefully it's going to be helpful for you and your accounting business if you have such a business. So again, all the links are in the description. We have a free trial for Link My Books, free onboarding, best coupon code, and the videos that show you how to use it, gain financial clarity for your business. All the links are in the description. And my name is Vova Evan. I'm also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with the guys, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. But in this way, you can support my free content. I'm truly grateful for that. You can also visit me at vovaevan.com to read more about what I do. And I truly appreciate that. Also on the screen here, going to appear the videos where we show you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers, but also for accountants and bookkeepers. So check them out. Be well. Good luck to you. All the links are in the description. Good luck. Thank you.